I'm Tom Kuutti, president of USA Medical Electronix. We're a high tech company located in Norcross, Georgia, specializing in the development of hardware and software for the medical industry. We had a particular problem that we needed to solve involving the classification of electrocardiogram heart rhythms. We turned to the University of Jyväskylä, and they impressed us with their capabilities and their cooperative spirit. So we hired several of the University of Jyväskylä's engineering students to develop a software solution. They used the PhysioNet database from MIT and came up with a software program that detects heart arrhythmias. We've been very impressed with the results of their work and with the students. Based on our experience, the students at University of Jyväskylä are very intelligent, professional, and have learned the skills needed in this competitive IT field.